Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Firecrawl has released another open source Perplexity clone and its name is Fireplexity, and here you see this is the simple UI Fireplexity version 2 search and scrape. We know that Firecrawl is famous for the scraping, and with the help of Groq Cloud they have released this new open source project Fireplexity. So in this video we will compare this Perplexity with the Fireplexity, and we will see that how much this new Fireplexity, which is the open source project, is capable. Okay, so this is the simple repository and the setup is very simple that you have to do in your local, and you can contribute to this open source repository also. That means you can modify it according to your need. So first of all, if you go to this post here, you see that ask any question and get AI powered system answers with cited source, and all powered by our search and scrape endpoints. And for that, just go to this GitHub repository link I have given in description. So here you see that they have written blazing fast AI search engine with real-time citations, streaming responses, and live data powered by Firecrawl. So just scroll down below and there you will find this setup. So just copy these commands. This is a simple setup. So just copy this command and go to your terminal or command prompt, and there just paste it. So first of all, it will clone that GitHub repository, and then it will go to that folder, and then it will run that npm install. Now after that you will find this kind of folder. Here you see that Fireplexity. Now after that, open this Fireplexity folder inside your VS Code, and there you will find one .env.example file. Now just rename that to .env.local. Here also inside this GitHub repository you will find this configuration. So just rename this .env.example to .env.local. Now after that, here you will find these two API key option. This Firecrawl API key is for the web scraping, and this Groq API key is for the inference provider for the LLM model. Now all of these API keys are currently available for free to use. So just go to this firecrawl.dev. This is the website, that link I have given in description, and there just make an account, and after that on the right hand side you will find one dashboard after you make the account. And now go to the dashboard, and here you will find your API key. So just copy that API key and paste it there. Okay, in this section just paste it here. And after that, for this Groq API key, what you need to do, just go to this website console.groq.com/keys. I have given this link also in description. Go there and you will find your Groq API key. And here first of all you will find that this page is blank. So just click on this create API key and give any name here, and after that just click on the submit here and you will find your API key. Okay, now when these API keys are there, now you are good to go to run this Fireplexity in your local. Now to run this Fireplexity in local, you have to run this command npm run dev. So just go to your terminal in that project folder, and here you see that I have written this npm run dev, and after that it will take some time, 1 to 2 minutes, to start all of that project and initiation. And when you go to this localhost 3000 port, you will find this Fireplexity. It is running in my local, and here I can ask any questions. Let's say I want to ask this question: tell me the DeepSeek version 3.1 versus GPT-5, which one is best? You know that 2 days ago DeepSeek published this version 3.1. I reviewed that model and I didn't find this model is helpful, so you can watch that video. And if I now press enter, you will see that it will give me that answers. And here you see that it is giving me the details and all of the sources it has found, and also it has given me some of the images of this GPT versus DeepSeek, and this news, the latest news from all of that sources. And also here you see that there are different sources and that follow-up related questions also. You see that in case of Perplexity also, they does these things in the same way. Okay, so if I give the same question to the Perplexity, there also you will find these same things. Now if I compare this Fireplexity with the Perplexity, here you see that in case of Perplexity we have this answer and all of the sources are given here, and here I have these images and these sources, all of that things. And in case of Fireplexity also, here you see that we have these sources and these images also, and all of that news, and also below you will find that related question. So in case of Perplexity also, we have this related question, right? So it is exactly the clone of this Perplexity. So this Fireplexity is actually a game-changing thing. So you can try it on your own in your local. I have shown you the full setup. So please set it up in your local and let me know your experience, your thought in comment section. And if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also, and don't forget to watch the other videos that I have published only for you guys. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.